So guys, of YouTube, this is the third part and final part on how to install a dishwasher or a washing machine through your sink. And as you can see, you see right here, when it looks like that, it's off. And there's water here, but there's no water here for your washing machine. So if you want water here, just give me 1 second. All you gotta do is just turn that on. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand because I gotta be able to hold the hose. And put the hose right there. Actually, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn on this. And turn that on. You see, there's water because right now the water pressure is very low. I haven't turned it on from outside, but this is the water from the water heater. So this is the last part of how to get this done. To turn this off, all you gotta do is, give me 1 second. And it's gonna turn it off. There you go. And that's how you do it. And then you just run your line. I'm gonna run it here. Make a hole over here and run your line. I'm gonna put a washing machine here. And the fridge is gonna go there. So this is how it's going to look like. And for the drain, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a T, and I'm gonna get a T, and I'm gonna tap here, make a cut, and then run it like that from here. Okay, see you guys later, and hopefully gives you an idea how to run your cold water and hot water from your sink to your washing machine or your dishwasher. Thank you.